All right, welcome. This is Ugo Chikunwosu, aka Ugo the Analyst. Today we'll go straight to our today's topic. We'll learn how to create, show, use, drop, and insert values into database tables. And we'll dive into This is my SQL workbench, and we'll move straight. So let's see if we can show all databases. We'll start by typing the keyword show databases, and we want to just see the databases. Okay, we don't have data analyst here. So that means you're ready to create data analyst as a database. So to use that, you choose the keyword create database data analyst. Every keyword must end with a semicolon. And let's see what happens. Wow, that means it is there. So let's go back and see if we can show database to see if data analyst has been inserted. Databases. Wow. Now let's see. Good. Can you see data analyst is there? So quickly rush through, and we've seen before then we dropped database data analyst and we tried to put it back. But okay, let me quickly do that so that you see. Now let's say it's showing, right? But let's kind of drop it. Let's drop it, and you see it will no longer show there by typing drop database. Good. Data analyst. Good. And when we do this, voila, we can now see it has been dropped, right? Now we can go back and show data basis. And let's see, you will notice that data analyst will not be there. Can you see? So without wasting much of your time, you can go back and create it again by typing create database, database, data analysts. Good. And we create it. Good. We've created it. You can see one row affected. Now, for us to use it, because we have to declare that we want to use it because there are several databases, we'll now type the keyword use data. Okay, one space for data and analyst. Good. So we are there. You're good that we are about to use that. So we are using it right now, but we have not created any table. So let's start by creating the first table, which is the staff table. It starts this way. Watch the way I do it. Say table, create table staff. Now what I love indenting. So I say what I call the first one staff ID. I want it to be a unique number because it's going to be our primary key. So I'll use the word int. Int is for numbers, while varchar is for characters. That will say int, unique key, right? Comma. Now we've done that. We go straight to something else. Staff first name. I call it F name. Good. And we'll call it varchar. Names around this region can have more than 20 characters. Wow, wait, before then, we want to put a field that will make anybody entering into it, if you have developed a program, not to enter no value. I would say not no. Not no is a keyword to tell the SQL that should not allow it to be empty value. So staff um, middle name. Now, middle name may not may be empty, may be empty. So I'm not going to put a no value there, not no there. Staff last name, good. L name. This must have varchar 20 and must and should be not no. That shouldn't be empty. Now we are going to the staff name. Staff, you see, my words are written with small letters, while the keywords, sorry, staff name. So age is number, so we use int, not no. Then staff salary, sala, salary, the same thing, int, not no. Good. Well, staff location. Where is the person from? Location. Sorry, location. Good. And that's a character var char, let's say 20. State here, don't you? Now look at the rest have a comma, a comma, a comma, a comma, a comma, a comma, but this last one wouldn't have because I want to end here. So we'll do what? We'll close this and put this. Wow, this can also be written on a straight line. Yes, it can also be written in a straight line or this way. But I did this way so that you can quickly see the various field names on this table. So let's run. Let's run and see what happens. Wow, it's really worked. Now, for us to be sure that we don't have anything inside it, we'll start with the keyword select or from staff to see if the table has been created. Woola, that is it. You can see that the field names are appearing. The next thing we have to do right now is to populate it, to add values into it. Watch the steps I'm taking so that you can do the same at home. This is just our first in many videos we'll be having. To do that, you use the keyword insert into the name of the table is staff. Good. Then the fields is staff is just here. You can find the fields here. You can find the fields here, so you can follow the same pattern. Staff ID, comma, staff first name. Mind the spellings because in SQL, just a wrong spelling can actually put into nightmare. Middle name, staff, last name, staff, age, staff, salary, staff. Don't mind my typing. You may be slow, but still, just you're still learning. Now, you type insert into staff, right? But what the value are you starting? Then you now type values. Values. Now you now put the values you want inside them. Now start with staff ID is a number, right? Let's say the first one is number one. Numbers don't have inverted commas, but this is a name, so you have inverted commas. So let's call the first name Adebayo, Adebayo, comma. Now using a Yoruba name first. We're going to use Igbo name, ethnic name for this because this video is actually for Nigerians. Yes, solely for Nigerians. Say Henry, sorry using English name, but most times we get English names. And Ogunremi, good, Ogunremi, good as the last name. The age, let's say, is 32 years. Staff salary ends to 50,000 naira, quite a little amount. And lastly, he is from Ogun State. Ogun State. And you close and put your invite. That's good. I hope you can quickly go through this. This is what I just did now and run. Let's see. Error, syntax. All right, let's see what happened. We must have inserted something wrong. Insert into staff ID, staff ID, first name, middle name, last name, age, staff salary, one name, age, last name, age, salary, location, location. We wonder what must have gone wrong with that. 1. I think let's make this 001. Good, and try to run this again. Good, it now worked because I used 001. It worked now. Good. So let's see. But I'm going to copy this because I'll be using it for other ones I want to populate. So I'm copying this. So quickly, let's quickly see when we say select all from staff and we'll run. Let's see. Good, it appears. Now we quickly do it for 3 or 4 other names. Then we'll stop for today. We'll stop for today. So I'll quickly paste this and change the values. Change this to 2. Get an Igbo name. Let's say Chima. Uh, Chima Thomas Chukwu. No. I'm using Chukwudi. Chima Thomas Chukwudi is 35 years. He earns is being paid 35,000 and is from Anambra. Good. Um, good. Again, let's call this 3. Number 3. Let's use Ade Muyiwa, Olusegun Ogundipe. Ademuyi Olusegun Ogundipe is 40 years old and earns 56 salary, and he is from Osun State. Good. Let's just run these two and see what happens. I need to copy this because I want to double it. Good. And we go back. It worked very well and say select all from staff. Good. Now when we run it, you see it has populated this. So this is how you just do it until we get to the end of what we want to do. Okay, let me just add 2 more names. Let me add 2 more names and we end there because we still need to use them for various other examples. This is, let's call this 4. I'm going to do it at the same time, 5. And leave this Chi, Mu, Che. I'm trying to quickly edit some of this Chukuma. This is 40. Yeah, ends this and is from this person is from Enugu. Okay, this one is from let's say Lagos. Going to end let me say 55. He is 45. His name is Ogunshola. I hope there's a name like that. Oluwa Femi, and the surname is Aderonki. Good. So let's just run this and add it to the group. Okay. Let's quickly say select all from staff. Good. So this is where we're going to end this video. You can see everything is ready for use. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe my page. You just learn how to create a database, create a table in database. We've used the words create, show, drop, and we have inserted values into the database. Thank you very much. Watch out for the next video where we're going to be creating the students and the course tables in this database, and we'll now link them with the primary and foreign key. Thank you.